Notcoin is pretty much something like Dogecoin or SHIBAINU or PEPE, but on ton. So you can earn it by clicking it. So you click it, you earn. You have boosts. Then you can buy some boosts, which will make you more money. And there is earn button. Here you have missions to complete. Then you are making the money. As you can see, I made many missions already, but mostly you make the coins by clicking every time the energy recharges. So let's have a look how this will go. I give you link in description that gives you bonus on signing up, and it's all on Telegram, so you need Telegram app on your phone. See ya, bye.